Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a token in front of you friend which will be of great benefit to you in the future, which is the name of the project is Doge Further. You see the if you buy this token it will be great of benefit to you. Let's me a time make a time wasted video. I start my video friends. This token is a wonderful token whose name is Doge Further. The first thing you can see is that let me calm down. You can see is about us. Doge Father is a frictionless yet really generation token hard coded on its smart contract with a charity based NFT marketplace coming soon. We built this token on Binance Smart Chain also people can buy Doge Further with cheaper gas fees compared to other tokens built on the Ethereum network. Let me calm down. Welcome to the Doge family. Buy on PancakeSwap. You buy this token on PancakeSwap. You see the community TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram. You see the what is Doge Father about us. Charity community powered with the large attention the world will give to Doge Father. We would like to remind everyone that giving is as important as receiving. By donating to charity, we will make the world a better and hyper place. You see, education, cryptocurrencies, and DeFi is here to stay. We hope to use memes to bridge the gap between the young and the old and encourage the younger generation to learn more about decentralized and finance. You see, secure and safe and audit. We believe our supporters and users are our most valuable assist. We are open to any and all creative ideas and concepts to add to your our roadmap of upcoming projects. We want everyone to have a voice and feel like part of the team. We will add the best ideas to the voting protocol and let the community decide. After coming down you have something like this, the interface that I am showing. Click to view white paper. Guides on how to buy Doge Further. You buy on an exchange. Trust Wallet app video guide with PancakeSwap comprehensive guides for MetaMask contract address. You copy this contract and view contract. You see the view contract tokenics and status. I see you Doge Further 1 quadrillion totals flat 10% per tax. Current price you see this the current price market cap. You see the market cap and you see the holder 75,418 holder. Decentralized exchange. You see the decentralized exchange Doge Further Swap. You see Doge Further Swap. Doge Further Swap is our official decentralized exchange. It gives holder the ability to swap any BP20 token for another one. It's powered by PancakeSwap, the safest and most trusted DEX in the world. Furthermore, it acts as the foundation from which we will build additional features and functionally exclusive to Doge Further holder swap. Here Woof map. You see the Woof map. I see you Woof map. Doge Further launched on April 28, 2021 and quickly became one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies of 2021. This Woof map is a breathing documents that lays out keys milestones we plan to hit to continue our rapid growth. You see the roadmap, charity fund rise, white paper team organizations and restructuring Australian listening tells the giveaway Doge Further Swap NFT marketplace beta. You see NFT music space Doge Further Wolf Cube Better Go Doge Further Swap Space Worker interrogations of NFT marketplace into DAO art influence campaign and art incubator program charity partnership PancakeSwap liquidity pool management to V2 milestone. You see the milestone is the milestone quarter 2 is you see milestone quarter 2 and after read April 29 April 29 5,000 telegram members all organic 25 million USD market cap and day 1 of launch May 1 4,000 votes on coin hunt. May Doge for the BSC audit base passed and verified 20,000 Doge for the wallet holders. You see the wallet holder and 7 Doge for the billboard in New York. You see Doge for the billboard New York. You see the in NFT marketplace trade Doge for NFT coming soon. You see founding team. You see the founding team Doge for the founder and Doge Public CEO founder. You see contribute to Doge for is 100% community driven. We ask you for any types of contribution that you can provide, big or small. Money will be used 100% toward marketing for Doge further and spreading the word to the public. If you believe in our visions and our missions, then please we ask that you help out in any way that you can. BNB Ethereum Doge further. You see the copyright. You see the and you copy this address and USDT BTC. You see his partners. It's his partners. You do not buy this token after launch. You buy on Pancakes app. You buy options. You see you click here and buy this token. Friends, you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Good luck.